Matt here, Atlas Precision Consulting. In today's video, we're going to continue talking about transfers. In particular, we're going to be talking about transfer shipping. We're going to go over the basics, printing your packing list and whatnot. And then we're also going to talk about undershipping. There are a couple different options you can do on undershipping, including doing inventory adjustments. So let's get started. I already have a transfer pulled up in my transfer shipping window. It pulls in all of my locations. The carry ID got pulled over from our transfer entry. I can change that if I need to. I can add a carrier tracking number. My print options to the right, it's going to default to printing a packing list. You can also email or fax. This label is actually a shipment label if you have those set up, not an item label. Now, by default, our system is set up to auto allocate bins and lots. So you can see there's already 20. We're already saying we're shipping 20. If I go to the lot bin tab, it's already picked a bin and it's already picked a quantity to ship. So if I wanted to, I could just hit save and I have shipped this transfer. It's that simple. But let's say I am making some changes. Let's say I'm only going to ship 15. So I'm under shipping by 15. Now I have three options here. I can just leave it as is and those 5 will still stay on that transfer and transfer pick ticket form still to be shipped. If I change it to B, it's going to turn it into a transfer back order, which we'll discuss that in a later video. But I want to cancel it. I want to say, I'm going to undership these. I don't want them to stay on the transfer order. So by saying undership, I'm canceling those 5 off of that transfer order. But now I have another option. I can either return those 5 to stock, or if I say no, it's going to allow me to adjust those out. And you'll notice that the undership tab has now become activated. So I can click on that and you'll see this return to stock. If I had said yes, when I check this, that's all that's really doing. But for the purpose of this video, I want to do the adjustment. So there's a couple of steps you have to do since this is a lot bin tracked item. First, I need to put my reason code. Why am I doing this? These are the same reason codes in inventory adjustment. But I also have to go to the lot bin tab because remember, we had this set up to auto allocate. So it's trying to do 15, it's trying to do 20. So I'm going to change this to 15. But then I also need to come over here because I'm doing an adjustment. I need to change my transaction to adjustment. I'm going to pick the same lot, pick the same bin, and I'm going to adjust 5 out. So now when I hit save, it is going to ship those 15 and it is now going to adjust those 5 out of inventory. All right, gang, if you have questions about transfers or anything else, put a comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, Atlas is here for your P21 needs.